The Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito has raised serious concerns over alleged labor and environmental violations following an inspection of the industrial units in the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation MIDC area at Umiam under Ribhoi district of Meghalaya. The inspection was carried out recently by Hito members under the leadership of its central body president Donbok Langdakhar and Ribhoi District President Shanya Nongrum, focusing on the growing number of timber-related industries in the Umiam belt. Speaking to reporters, Hito President Donbok Langdakhar said the team found that a significant portion of workers employed in these units were non-tribals, while indigenous residents of the state constituted only a negligible percentage of the workforce. He termed the trend as a matter of concern, particularly in view of local employment opportunities. The organization also alleged that several industrial units were operating machinery that exceeded permissible pollution levels, posing potential environmental and health risks in and around the area. Hito urged upon the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to intervene and take necessary action, including banning the use of hazardous machinery. The Hito leaders further highlighted alleged labor violations, claiming that working hours, especially for female employees, extended beyond legally permitted limits. He added that reports received by the organization pointed to low wages and exploitative working conditions. Hito warned that it would continue to closely monitor the situation, particularly with regards to recruitment practices and labor welfare. The organization cautioned that failure by authorities to address the issues, including alleged exploitation and environmental violations, may compel it to take further action to prevent such occurrences in the future.
Got the info that without proper document, you make these people work, which is totally illegal. No. Okay, you prove it. It's not like that. Totally illegal. No.
We've been trying to employ here people, everything, whatever we can do.
Okay, we will sacrifice our
we have already spoken to you there. By meeting with you once, we have already done.
But we didn't allow you to fly illegally.
We have given us all the list of requirements. I'll tell you what all you wanted. We wanted majority Khasi people here. That was one requirement. We wanted that
but
labor quarters should
proper paper that you allowed to work.
Yes.
Not illegally.
Not
illegally. So I think we're all doing it properly only.
Sure.
Even the machine. No. Show in black and white.
This is not. I'm not carrying it with me.
So, listen. Suddenly now you sit in the office.
Office as in my office. We'll just sit here.
That time you sit in Guwahati, na?
Sitting office.
Just now also you said that I'll ask from the headquarters.
No.
See, you want to if you have the paper,
bring the documents. Relate with this only. To operate.
It's soft copy also.
It's soft. You can contact your colleague.
Yeah, all right. We'll talk to. We'll get whatever.
Ini kalian jangka Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization singkme takasing yadon tengkat ki para abang yadon takagui ka kunhon na ki area ki unit circle beper te hakan ka jinglek dawa bangin aikam yo parado persnam bakam tam na ka jilla me khalia ini lai kendu ya barokhat kini ki barokhat jingsha te nilai kendu ikini ki balong main je kita ki veneer bat kini ki industri padon hamme bat nila dawa ba kakam nungkong hi hadu ko baret hadu bahe kadai banyo try mulok kabadai to khasi jengtia bat karo te hakani ka jing pedeng ba ni dawa ba ngi kren te ngindala rung sapo nilap man ba kidon kita ki illegal machine ki ba set up hapo industries ka jing jobo ka ki industries kajing bom sunyo ye ki kentai ban pentre overtime but kiwe ki balong illegal hangne hapo dong pot thanya hapo ka Umiam tingi kentu ya ka department beper na do ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ki industries MIPCB bat khamtam rui ka MECL nilai i ba ka hangtai la stock claim da yo bor na ka MECL te ngakwa ban bu jingkeli ru ya ka sarkar ba balai phia matla balai phi kelut hadu kan ne ba nongwei chisngi one book one stock e kemar hendrei dai ki shong pat ki khasi tang bandi kwai dong phia be be langkod I kumba pin bam yap te ni na kaliang jong kaseng nim stunar dalai le ya kani ko rukom le ko sakat imat ko don ka ai ka ba ki yo nong nila ban ala chru ba tharai lingba ka jing pen slur maki kinong wai rukim ken snap wat hakiwi ki company le ni ba ki bu ta kinong bala hangni hapo dong hapo thain ribhoi hangni hapo dong jong kane ka Umiam brok hoi ki thung tang wai arngot ki ta ki khasi ka bangim la ban priang hap kini ki company hapor ki wan chane ki ong ba pen ai kam ai jam ten re ni na kalian ko jongi la ai be ki pat hadian ka tokan ne por ngin sawan biang lada ka sarkar kamla ban te lakam ikini ki industries ke ba penyaj klem biang ki kot kisla ngin sawan kum kala er lang thari bat ngin rat naphang ngin le be namar lada ka sarkar kampet khmar ki yang uluk ulak urit uria pat kham tami khon samla kabrang khlut kemen sen ban je sakri hok nak benta ka chet ben riu teng bangin ya be than yu men deru I kumba ka sarkar kayada henry ban ya khni ndala poi pat haga kata ka benta bakin wan khni ya ka plyang ja jungi wei pu wei bukhot jong ka chet ben riu kham tam na ka chela ka jungi unum hun pat nga kan turu chiki khon samla lej nadu lasai pendap jika bayo data ka jong phi lej bu gini ki kam vot lada phimla ki kam ru phin sa training bat lada ki pen lada kim ai kam yo ki phi kumba ong ka kenten nong wei bi it hakinu ginu ge industry ru nadu jantia hadu ribhoi pendap lut lada kim ai sapen tip ya ka seng bat ngin ya turlang bat ngin ya dawa ya ka hok ka jongi ka badai ka baha hiru ka jongi wei ba kila wan sene ban penjat ya ka ri ba ka jet ben riu ka jongi ni dei mangi hi ban pej banda ban ker ya kani kamai kamariang ka jongi bat nga kenturu ya ka men Mekhala Pollution Control Board bakadai ban sim action wood ya kareng do winner katkum gitu ki video bangila ring bat ki bala yo ki katto kan ki media ban ring ru badai ban pensitom ya ki badai ki company phela ban punje dan kuna ki lak tengah tharai hakini ru pidei ban pen ya kata ka bor telada pim don ya kata ka bor ka bala IT yu tau lakam mapi temban se ka Hito hi kan her bat kan le ya gawa bodon kam namar ngim dei kita ki kelas social media ki ban sukut tengah media henringi pen I ru de kam kani kadai ka jing stang bangi ni pen I de kam bat ngin le ru nang nes kapat